Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In our previous session, we learned Mendeleev's periodic table. Also, we learned achievements and limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table. Let us study further. In the year 1913, Henry Moseley showed that the atomic number. Now we all know what is atomic number, right? Atomic number shows number of protons and the symbol of atomic number is Z. Now here symbols are shown how atomic number and mass numbers are written, right? A is for mass number, which is number of protons plus neutrons. Z is atomic number, which is number of protons. And this X that shows symbol for an element. So with this atomic number Z, Henry Moseley showed that element is having this property of atomic number which is more fundamental than its atomic mass. Students, here you need to recall that all other tables which we have learnt till now, that all were dependent on atomic mass. But this physicist Henry Moseley showed that atomic number, which is Z, it is more fundamental than its atomic mass. So what did he do? He gave periodic law. He modified. Who has given periodic law before? He was Mendeleev. He gave periodic law. And we know that what it is. Mendeleev said that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. This periodic law Henry Moseley has modified and he has given it based on atomic number. So the periodic law given by Henry Moseley is properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. So what is the change? What is the modification? Instead of atomic mass, we have atomic number. So now the periodic law is properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Now properties include both properties, physical as well as chemical properties of elements are periodic function, as we have already discussed, that occurs at regular interval. So the properties are same at regular intervals in the periodic table. That all we'll study when we'll study the table. And when the elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic number, we had modern periodic table. So now onwards, we have to learn the modern periodic table which is in use till now. So by this you can come to know that in modern periodic table the elements were arranged how? In increasing order of their atomic number based on number of protons. And because the elements were arranged in increasing order of their atomic number, it was easy to predict the property of elements precisely because they were arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Here you need to note that elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, which means they are arranged based on the protons, number of protons. That means we need to keep it in mind the electronic configuration of the elements. So this is the modern periodic table. Here, the limitations of Mendeleev's periodic table were overcome. We learnt that in Mendeleev's periodic table, hydrogen was not given proper place and all. So that all limitations were overcome in this modern periodic table. So that is best in use. Now let us once again recall what are groups and what are periods. We know that the vertical columns are called groups and the horizontal rows are called periods. So here groups and periods are shown. Let us look at the table which is given in your textbook, table 5.6 on page number 86. As I mentioned that the vertical columns are called groups. So here we have 18 groups. Group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 18. So this you need to remember very well. How many periods are there? As I said before that the horizontal rows are called periods. You can see there are total 7 periods in this table. So if it is asked you how many groups and how many periods are there in modern periodic table, we have to say that there are 18 groups and 7 periods in the modern periodic table. Now here you will be seeing 3 colors in the table. Some elements are written in light green color, some are written in pink color and some are written in yellow color. So all the elements which are written in green color, they all are metals. Okay, all the elements which are written in yellow color, they are non-metals. And the elements written in pink color are called metalloids. Now you all know what are metalloids, right? Metalloids means semi-metals, the elements which possess both the properties metals as well as non-metals. So they are called semi-metals. So remember, the elements in green color are metals, then pink color are metalloids, and elements in yellow color are called non-metals. Okay, now you can see there are 2 rows downwards. They are not fully attached with this. As you can see, there are 7 periods, right? Okay, then there is some space and then some elements are written in 2 rows. Okay, and their names are written. You see, atomic number from 58 to 71. And in second row it is 90 to 103. So they are lanthanoids and actinoids. So here basically this we don't need to remember, just we need to remember that they are said as lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, sometimes it is asked that which atomic number elements are present in lanthanoids. So that we need to write that atomic number from 58 to 71. This much we can remember, right? Atomic number from 58 to 71 are lanthanoids. And if it is asked about actinoids, then we have to say atomic number 90 to atomic number 103. So this also you need to remember. In this table, all the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic number. Here you need to note that for every element the symbols are written. Below it the name of that element is also written, and above the atomic number is written. So like for hydrogen 1 is written, that is number of proton, then symbol H, then hydrogen, and then 1.0, that is mass is written. Same way for helium, 2 is written first, so that is atomic number, then He, symbol of element, then full name is written helium, and then 4.0, that is mass. Okay, so this way for all the elements present in modern periodic table, this way it is arranged. So it is very much helpful to for us to use this table, because here everything we will get: name, mass, atomic number, everything. Now one more thing you need to note here is zigzag line. So where the metalloids are present, there you can see dark black zigzag line. So that line separates metals from non-metals. Okay, because as we can see, all the metals are green in color on the left hand side, and all non-metals are on right hand side. So that zigzag line separates metals and non-metals. Okay, so now you need to remember the number of groups, number of periods. Also, what are the atomic numbers for lanthanoids, or what are the atomic numbers of the elements present in actinoids. Sometimes it is asked actinoid series, lanthanoid series, that is same as lanthanoids and actinoids. Okay, so this we need to remember. Lanthanoids are from atomic number 58 to 71, actinoids are from atomic number 90 to 103. So this is an overview of modern periodic table. Now we will start learning it in detail.